Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amelia Agustin. You can call me Meli. Number absent 23, class 12, science 4. I want to explain text procedure about how to make. The purpose for this text procedure is to tell the reader how to make through a quick action or step.
Open the Michet application to write the reception number 4444. Type the Michet in the format #NIKEY, #NoKiki. Press the set button. Wait for the confirmation message stating that you have successfully re-registered the prepared card. Exit card can't be used.
Thanks for watching and happy filing useful for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.